Hey everybody, welcome to the Lunar Lowdown with me, Sally Nurney. This is the lowdown for the full moon of July 27th, with the sun in the constellation of Cancer and the moon directly across the way in the constellation of Capricorn, which is also a full lunar eclipse. The star beings asked me to share this with you because when we understand the physical reality of something, the spiritual implications arise inside us in a way that's experiential, not conceptual. The physical alignment that creates a full moon is that of the sun and the moon with the earth right in the middle. Why is this full moon an eclipse and every full moon isn't? That's a very good question. To take things right back to basics, let's clarify that the moon itself is simply reflecting the light of our beloved sun. This month's lunar eclipse means that the sun's light that normally reflects off of the full moon will be blocked by the earth. The earth comes in between them perfectly, and while I have illustrated this on a flat plane, this is not how it really works. The moon's journey around the earth is actually at a different angle than that of the sun. They're not always laid out on a straight path. Instead, the moon is higher or lower and still able to receive the golden radiance of our sun. Occasionally, in a rhythmic fashion, we find these three lined up in such a way that indeed the shadow of our earth blocks the light reaching our moon. So you can see how a full moon is normally very bright, but a lunar eclipse throws shadow into the mix, and therefore we are invited into activities that we normally associate with a new moon, the dark of the moon. When I visioned with the star beings to find out the specificity of this, instead of going out into brightness, I was taken down into the ground once again with the beloved star elder. With her, we sat in the dark, and the constellations of Cancer and Capricorn, great star beings way out there, came all the way in underground with us. And these great star beings indicated that this dark of the moon inside a full moon is actually an excellent place to start at the simplest of things within ourselves, at the very core of our being. They guided me into the most beautiful of meditations. Cancer asked us to come inside and really sit at ground zero, surrounded by faith and belief. They meant this as the undifferentiated energies of faith and belief, or personified in the divinity that you hold unshakable belief in. This can be God. This can be the star beings, the remarkable intelligence of the trees, the wind, the saints of your ancestors. It is up to you. And this beautiful visualization, meditation, or exercise then becomes letting these divine beings of your choice form a vessel around you, within to which you crawl and are held, protected, worked on, and strengthened so that you might continue to live in this world. Isn't that just what we need right now? And as I sat within my vessel, I saw how these great beings who I had called upon to hold the exterior of this cocoon, how they turned outward and were mediating the world. They were paying attention to what's happening out in the place that we call home, and mediating what was coming in into a medicine that I could receive inside of this cocoon, again, to strengthen me that I might continue to live in this world. Isn't that gorgeous? So give this a try. I can't wait to hear what it's like for you to feel your friends in spirit filtering these energies into a medicine as you meditate and receive inside your own seed pod, your own personal cave. It's your own do-it-yourself spiritual spa. Also, yes, the lunar eclipse does bring up the darkness that we see exposed now on Earth, in our surroundings, within humanity, within ourselves, and how difficult that is to bear. The star beings wanted me to mention this because it's this meditation that will help you to move your true, deep, solid beliefs in the unseen realms into a palpable sensation of their constant presence with you. This cycle, come sit in a cocoon of your own making with those that you believe in and consider divine. Feel their palpable presence in your bodies, subtle and physical. That is enough. That is all. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.